Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm super excited because I just ordered the brand new Jelly Much shadows from Colourpop, and I'm so excited about this because I just really like the texture of jelly eyeshadows or jelly highlights or anything like that. So it's supposed to be really high impact, a lot of color, it's supposed to not budge, so we're going to see that in the video. And since I ordered all 8, I'm going to swatch every single one of them on my eyes. So enough of me talking, I really want to get into the eye swatches for you guys so you guys can really see how it applies and all that. So let's get started. So I'm just going to use this concealer brush from Sigma, it's an F70. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my brush each time after I use the shadow. So yeah, so now that I'm up close and personal, I'm gonna start with the first Jelly Much shadow, which is the color here, and this one is Half Moon. Alright you guys, so it comes in this container and it says that after you're done, make sure to close it to keep it sealed. And you just open it up like this. And this little thing says keep me. And a little bit does get on the lid here, but I basically just got this out of the package, so that might be why some of the jelly shadow transferred onto here. Okay, it feels really wet and just really like refresh. So this is what it looks like on my finger. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with a brush because I heard that works a lot better. Alright you guys, so I just gave that like a couple seconds to dry. So as you guys can tell, I do have wrinkly eyelids, so that makes me kind of avoid products like this because when you sometimes blink, it could transfer. I'm going to blink a whole bunch of times right now and see if it does transfer. I'm going to go ahead and just put my finger over it and see if this does stay in place. Alright, so the shadow doesn't really move, but I did get a little bit of residue on my finger. So it doesn't dry down completely matte to the point where it's like dry and it's, you know, waterproof or transfer proof. I think it just means like it's budge proof, that it won't move. So far I really like it. I think it's so pretty. You have a little bit of hints of blue in it. So I think it's really pretty so far. So I'm going to go ahead and start swatching the other shades. Alright you guys, so now that I'm done swatching, I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts on what I thought about the new Jelly Much shadows from the new Colourpop collection. So I pretty much liked all of the shadows. I thought they were all really good. There were some that were definitely my favorites and some that I'm going to definitely say that you should get, and then some that you could probably pass on. So overall though, I thought that the formula is really nice. It feels really cooling on your eyes and it looks really good on, and if you want to just put it on your eyes with just that color alone, I think it'll look good. If you have hooded eyes or wrinkly eyelids, this will definitely work for you too because it does dry and then it doesn't bud. So out of all 8 shadows, I definitely thought the winner was this one, which is Once in Floral. I just thought this was really easy to apply, very pigmented, and also it had a bit of a duochrome finish. It has a bit of a reddish and an orangey finish. Okay, and for the second shadow that I really like too, this one was Half Moon. And I just thought this was so pretty because it had a bit of a duochrome bluish finish. And then if I had to recommend another really good one, I would definitely recommend Origami. So this one is definitely my third favorite. I just think this is such a pure gold and I think would look really good on with any eyeshadow. You could definitely cut the crease with this, but I just think this is really pretty and very pigmented and it was very easy to apply. Alright guys, so I actually thought that Bungalow was going to end up being my favorite, and that's what I have on this eye right here. So even though I do like the way it looks and I think it's really pretty, I just felt that you had to apply multiple layers to really get that really nice pigmented effect. Whereas the other ones, like, it just was a lot easier to apply, but I still think it's really pretty and I think I will get a lot of use out of it because I like the color specifically. And then the one shadow that I really wouldn't recommend was this one, and this is Jammin. And the reason I wouldn't recommend it was because when I was applying it, I kind of felt it crumbling on the eye, and when I had it on for a little bit, I went to like brush it off and I could feel it flake. Alright you guys, so overall I do think this collection is really good and I really like it because it was very pigmented, super easy to apply, very cooling on the eye, had really unique colors, especially the ones that were duochrome, and also on top of it, it's affordable. You can get at least one for just $8, which I think is a really good deal. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will see you guys in my next video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at beautybydreav, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.